Hello friends, myself Mitesh Save and my presentation topic is business plan on potato chips for the subject of entrepreneurship management. Oishi potato chips is the brand name of my product. Company profile type private limited, found 2021, headquarter Mumbai, land 5000 square feet and capital 50 lakhs. Market analysis: Potato chips market in India outlook to 2022. Market size, growth and forecast analysis is a broad level market review of potato chips market in India. Potato chips, think slice of potato deep fried until crisp and then seasoned with salt or other spices, available in bags, does not include processed potato snacks. Potato chips market in India registered a positive compound annual growth rate CAGR of 27.85% during the period 2012 to 2017, with a sale value of rupees 1,60,472.11 million in 2017, an increase of 19.49% over 2016. The market achieved its strongest performance in 2015 when it grew by 31.27 over its previous year, and its weakest performance in 2017 when it increased by 19.49% over 2016. The Research Handbook provides up-to-date market size data for period 2012 to 2017 and illustrative forecast to 2022, covering key market aspects like sales value and volume for potato chips and its variants. SWOT analysis: string of Lay's potato chips, strong dealer community. It has built a culture among distributors and dealers where the dealers not only promote company producers but also invest in training the sales team to explain to the customers how he she can expect the maximum benefit out of the product. Weakness of Lay's potato chips: Day's inventory is high compared to the competitors, making the company raise more capital to invest in the channel. This can impact the long-term growth of Lay's potato chips. Opportunity for Lay's potato chips: organization's core competence can be a success in similar other product file. A comparative example could be GE Healthcare Research helps in the developing better oil drilling machines. Treat less potato chips facing growing string of local distributor also presents a threat in some market as the competition is paying higher margin to the local distributors. Strong of skilled workforce in certain global market represent a threat to steady growth of profit for Lay's potato chips in those markets. Limitations of SWOT analysis: SWOT does not show how to achieve a competitive advantage, so it must not be an end it in itself. The matrix is only a starting point for a discussion on how process string could be implemented. It provided an evaluation window but not an implementation plan based on strategy. Competitiveness of Lay's potato chips. SWOT is a status assessment analysis of status with prospective changes as circumstances, capabilities, threats, and strategies change the dynamic of a competition environment. may not be revealed in a single matrix. Potato chips manufacturing process: sorting potatoes. Firstly, potatoes are sorted as per the requirement. The potatoes selected for wafers should be large, over oval shape, free from desmin, and fully matured. It should have least number of eyes to cut down and losses by trimming. Second, washing and peeling. Next, the potatoes are washed closely in water and peeled manually with stainless steel peeler or with the help of an adhesive potato peeling machine. The skin is washed away with spray of water. Then it is placed in water to prevent borrowing of the potatoes. Third step, slicing. After peeling, they are sliced with the help of a slicing machine into thin slice which are 0.4 to 0.5 centimeter thick. The slices are then immersed in cold water. If there is a delay in the next step, the slices are kept in water containing 0.05% potassium metasulfate to avoid oxidation. Blanching. After slicing, the potato slices are blanched from 3 to 5 minutes in boiling water and spread on trays. Next step is drying and frying. Then the blanched potato slices are dried using a spin dryer or hydro extractor to remove excess amount of moisture from the chips. Later, they are fried in deep fat fryer at 1900 degree Celsius for 3 to 4 minutes. It is then keep on a slice to cool and to remove excess of oil. Flavoring: once it is cold, flavors like salt, spices, etc. are spread on the chips as per required taste with the help of salting drums. And last, packing. Lastly, the chips are sealed in the plastic bag with the help of vacuum sealing machine and packed in cardboard box, then delivered to the clients. Major competitor company in potato chips: Balaji, Lay's, Pringle potato chips, etc. Thank you.